Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to activate OPay Debit card. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your OPay app, and once you launch it, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. So from this homepage, the next thing you need to do is to tap the cards icon that is located at the bottom of the screen. Now under the physical card section, okay, first I'd like you to know that if it's a virtual card, the virtual card is activated almost instantly. All right, but for physical card, it requires some form of activation or verification, which is why we're in this tutorial. So swipe to physical card. Once you swipe to physical card, you see I have a physical card already that has been activated, of course. So once you swipe to this physical card section, locate and tap on your OPay Debit Verif card. Now, once your card details are displayed, go ahead and tap the Activate Card button. Now, once you do that, input the last 4 digits of your card number in your PIN. So once you're even activated, just tap the card detail and tap the card and tap Activate Card. Then input the last 4 digits of your physical card. Okay, so once you do that, once you input that, the next thing to do is to input your PIN. Now, once you input your PIN, go ahead and tap Activate to complete the process. Your card is now ready for use. Now, I'm going to walk you through some additional security tips. Ensure your PIN is kept confidential and not shared with anyone. Immediately report any stolen or lost cards to OPay through the app. And you can view your card's transaction history within the OPay app. So your OPay Debit Verif card is now activated and ready for use. Once you follow the steps, just go ahead and enjoy seamless transactions at ATMs, POS terminals, and online platforms. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.